Before that, an estimated 6,000 people in Wales are living with Parkinson's, with the majority aged over 50. It's a degenerative disease that gradually gets worse over time. Now, a dance class in Wrexham has been set up to help improve the movement and speech of those with the condition in the area. Our reporter Rob Shelley went along to take a look.
Welcome to one of the most remarkable dance classes you'll find west of the Bolshoi or Covent Garden.
Use the chair is your friend.
Everyone in this room's had their lives changed by Parkinson's. They either have it or care for people with it.
It helps you with your coordination. Eventually I'll go downhill, obviously, because that's what Parkinson's is. But until that time, I must do everything I can to keep active.
What's the song? I'm trying to remember. If that's all there is, my friend, then let's keep dancing. Just watching that hour of functioning, of doing, of saying, right, stuff you, Parkinson's.
Mr. P, get lost. Yeah. Because with Parkinson's, it interferes with your cognitive powers, with your engagement with other people. What this does here, it makes us join in. It makes us be part of a group that's a normal group.
It's the determination, right, you are not going to define me.
If I've got the dancing, I'm going to do something about it.
The dictionary will tell you Parkinson's is a degenerative neurological condition. Basically, nerve cells shut down in the brain. Right now there's no cure, but this weekly meeting of Wrexham's Corps de Ballet here is part exercise, part social.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Fueled by cake, determination, and Jamie, the instructor. Because this is all about what people can do and reaching for that extra half-inch beyond, isn't it?
It is. It's about stretching the barriers and kind of pushing the barriers and coming in and with no expectation and allowing yourself to go with the movement and let the movement and music take you into a different place.
Your brain has to work so much doing this, along with your body, doesn't it?
It does. It's about that coordination. It's about that coordination, but also doing two things at once.
Which is, for some of us who could never entirely remember which one was left or right, a bit of a challenge. It's quite difficult. I wanted to see how hard it was. But then this dance class is an experience. That weekly exercise keeps so many people's heads together in an isolating world. I've just watched one of the most remarkable hours I've seen. This is phenomenal.
It's good, it's really good.
You're quite good at this ballet, Lark. Your pliés are coming on a treat, you know. First rule of dance club, if you want your tea and cake, you're going to have to work for it.
And they work for it.
Rob Shelley, ITV News, Wrexham.